Okay, so here we have a Headlight Restoration Kit made by McGuire's. Let's see if this stuff really works. All right, as you can see right here, it's a lot of yellow, a lot of stain from over the years to the plastic cover on the headlight. Let's check it out. And here is a finished product with the driver's side front headlight that was just completed. So far, it looks like this McGuire Headlight Restoration Kit works. Let's keep going. All right, let's get back over here where we need to start the process of applying the restoration kit wax. Here you can see this is clearly yellow, faded over time. Today we're going to be using the Headlight Restoration Kit. Comes with a cleaning solution and a headlight coating solution. All right, let's get started. First step is to apply a generous amount of this cleaning solution to this buffer pad. Oh yeah, just FYI, make sure you put it on the gray side, the abrasive side, and not the white side like I did initially. Again, to wipe it on the headlight, circular motion. Take your time. Press down gently. Okay, after you've applied a generous amount of the cleaning solution, your headlight should be coated, then wipe it off immediately with a wet cloth.